we learned how to use number to do the calculation and also how to combine the string, how to repeat a string for multiple times in the last class. But it sounds like a boring, so it's something related to math. But this class, we are going to make 2 fun games. In the end of the last class, I wrote name equal to input. What is your name? What input do over here is to get an answer. Or you can say to get the string answer from the question. What is the question? Is what is your name? Because over here we use a variable called name. We are going to explain the name in the next class. This time we are going to make a small program and to see how Python can interact with the person. And now we are going to make the first ever program. By clicking File and clicking New File, we open the new file. The first line, we are going to let computer ask, what is your name? The type exactly we have typed in IDLE, which is name equals to input bracket, what is your name, question mark. By writing this input, computer will ask you a question, what is your name? And waiting for your answer. That answer you give to the computer will be saved in the computer. But how to save it? Save to where? So far, because we haven't explained what is a variable is, you can imagine we just saved into here called name. Then you can have a computer say hello to you by writing print bracket hello and name. We are going to touch base on the print in the later on class. But over here is showing a string which is wrapped by quote mark. This considered as the first item will be show to the people, and it will be the second item. Second item is information saved in name, or we can say the value of the name. Because we haven't explained in detail what is a variable is, so far you can thinking just like this way. Next, we are going to let the computer ask your favorite food. You can write called food equals to, use input, let computer ask you a question, your favorite food. By writing this line, computer will ask you the question, what is your favorite food? And waiting for your answer. Your answer, as just like before, it will saved into the variable called food. You can consider that food is a place. That place just labeled as food. You can save your answer. Now you can enter print bracket, you love space. This is a string. I'm going to using that string to combine with another string. As I said before, using an input, you will get a string answer. So this answer of what is your favorite food will be a string. So over here, I can use your love, which is string, plus another string, which is saved into the food. Then plus an exclamation mark. I'm going to print this you love whatever the food of the answer by 100 times. In order to do that, I have to put in this times 100 and the whole thing will wrapped with a bracket. Now let's run the program to see what happens. How to run the program? All you need to do is click run on the menu, click run module, or you can press F5 on your keyboard. It will ask the source must be saved. OK to save. You click OK and give a name, just called food test. After you press enter, save it, the program will ask you the first question, what is your name? You give your name. For example, over here, Kevin. It will say, hello, Kevin, and it will ask the second question, what is your favorite food? If I give the answer apple, press enter, which is confirm my answer. It will show you love apple for 100 times. Of course, you can change the number. You can make it repeat for 200 times, 300 times. So far, you made your first program. Now we are going to create a second program. Let's show some graphics. You need to click File, New File. Do you believe there's a turtle existing in Python? Yes, no rabbit, unfortunately. I can import turtle. Some people may ask me, can I import a rabbit? Can I import a dragon? No, unfortunately, turtle is a module pre-exist in Python. Second line, we are going to type t, which is a real turtle, equal to turtle, which is a module. In that module, I'm going to create an object, the real turtle object called turtle. because Python is case sensitive. So you have to make sure this is our lowercase and this first letter T is capitalized. That means which object we are going to use. It's a turtle object. And then write a blank bracket. Let's run. You can run it. Click run. Run module. Click OK. Save a name called TT1. Just don't name it a turtle. So we press save. So you can see the Python turtle graphics. But in the middle, do you see a turtle? No, you only see an arrow, not a turtle. Sometimes I just tell the people, do you see it in the middle of the screen? Two-leg turtle? Yeah, some people will say, yeah, I see the two-leg turtle. No, actually, how we can see a real turtle. Let's go back to the program. Type T dot shape bracket turtle. So we are going to use the shape of turtle. Let's run it again. F5, run the program, click OK. Do you see a very little cutie turtle in the middle of the screen? It's a black small turtle, very cute. What is usually the color of the turtle? Turtle usually is a green color. We are going to change the color of the turtle. We can make T dot color bracket green. F5, run the program. Now the turtle turned into green. And some people said, can I make a purple turtle or pink? Yes, of course you can do that. You can make it silver, you can make it black. Some people create an invisible turtle just to make that turtle as a white color. But I got a question from some people said, can I create a turtle with a rainbow? But unfortunately, you cannot create a rainbow colored turtle. And the next step, can I make it big? Of course you can make it big just by writing T dot shape size bracket. That is how many times bigger than that original turtle. You can write the size 10. Some people said, can I write the size 100? Can I do it? Of course you can do it. For example, if I write it 50 times, what happened? If I run it, unfortunately, you can only see that's the butt of the turtle. So don't make that number too big. Over here, you can make it as a 10 or make it as 5. This is size 5. The next question is, can I make the turtle move? Of course, you can make the move by writing a line T dot forward 100 pixel, or you can consider that as 100 steps. Okay, let's run it. Run it. Yes. Do you see the turtle moves forward 100 pixel? What else the turtle can do? And T dot circle. And in the bracket, you write the radius you want that turtle to turn. So the turtle will run in a circle. On next line, we are going to use something we never see before, which is using loop. Loop means make it a repeat. I'm going to make the following code to repeat 100 times by writing for I in range bracket 100. After you write this column, you press enter. It will automatically give you indenting over here. That means whatever the code has been indented will be repeated for 100 times. I'm going to write T dot forward bracket 10. Then I'm going to write T dot left 3.6. Forward, it means move forward. 10 pixel, it's very small. What means T dot left 3.6? That means I will make that turtle turn left 3.6 degree. And then now I'm going to write T dot circle bracket 100. Before we run this program, do you know what kind of shape we are going to create just by guess? We don't know, right? We are going to make the run to see what happened. We still don't know what kind of shape it will create, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to make it running faster by setting a speed. T dot speed, I will make it 100. F5, run the program again. After circle, it is starting to create a donuts. It's perfect donuts. Are you hungry? So you can just by changing the color at the very beginning, the turtle, you change into brown. F5, run the program. You got chocolate donuts. Does that sound fun? You can change the program over here just by writing a different circles, angles, and different forward. It will change the different shape. Some people said, can I do a square? Yes. All you need to do is you need to make turtle move 100 and then turn left 90 degree and continue move forward 100, then keep turning 90, then keep moving. We can write the program in a simple way. We get rid of this line. we write t dot forward 100 and t dot left 90. Then we copy paste this 2 lines 3 times. Then run the program. It will create 100 squares. Is it nice? You can come up with a different idea. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. You can like or subscribe our video. We are going to learn variables in the next class.